With Payit, online shopping has become so easy that my fingers find a way or another to order something new every day. Come shop with me, I'll show you how it's done. Firstly, you need to download the Payit mobile app. Android users can download it from Google Play stores. iOS users can download it from the App Store. Huawei users can download it from App Gallery. Get yourselves registered. You can choose any product from your preferred online store. Add it to your cart and you'll see the option to pay through Payit. Click on the Payit option and enter your mobile number. Then enter your 6-digit OTP number, which you'll get from Payit on your registered mobile number. Once this is done, you're done shopping. How easy! Now you know why my fingers are always ready to click and shop. Shopping made easy, life made easy with Payit. Download Payit mobile app now, the digital wallet you need every day.